Hello, future millionaire. Today, for the last video of the day, I want to announce something because I anticipate 100x coming up soon, which means the next 10x is coming up in Bitcoin Cash. And this will happen probably in the next 3 years, less than 3 years. That's the next 10x. To commemorate that, I decided to go ahead and order very nice watches for myself and for my friends. And I would like to play a game here. If you can guess which watch I have ordered for my best friends on the Gold Coast and for myself to celebrate the 100x, I will give you the exactly same watch for free. All right. Now, let me tell you first of all which brand. Not this brand, okay? This is not a good brand. Hi. That brand behind me. That's the brand that I just came literally out of the showroom. So the gentleman who helped me out in there, he's a wonderful guy, but I don't want him to spoil the surprise. So please don't tell anybody what I just ordered. So you guys, if you can guess which watch I just ordered from that brand behind me, and it's hard to get watch, by the way, it's not easy to get watch. I will give you, the first person who guessed correctly, I will give you exactly the same watch for free. It doesn't matter which country you're in. So comments below, tell me how well do you think you know me and my character, because the watch will match the character. I need to know exactly the model. It's not enough to say things like Submariner. That's not enough, okay? You need to give me the exact specification. Which watch do you think I've ordered for myself and my friends? Then, if you guess correctly and we go 100x, you are gonna get exactly the same watch. So the first person that guessed correctly, I will let you know, and I only have one watch to give away for free. So go ahead and guess underneath. Let's play a game here, see how well do you know me. All right, this is the last video of the day. See you hopefully soon at 100x with a new watch in your hand. Bye.